Okay, it's time to turn in week 13, our emotional emojis. And first we're going to snip this right here. What is that? That's the panel of all of your different layers. Now it's going to need to be made larger than it is by default. So go ahead and pull this down. And if something is made up of more than one object, I do like to see that named as well, at least for the whole eye. You don't have to name the pupil, the iris, and so on. But I want to see what makes up this layer if it's a complex layer. Even the eyebrows, it would be great to see the paths. If it only has one path in it, like these faces, then don't worry about that. But you will make this as long as it needs to be, at least a little bit underneath to show me, oh, there's none that I'm not seeing. There's eyebrows, some normal eyes. Notice that I have colored these so I can easily spot the 3 different emotions. And here at the bottom I have 2 different color faces, and I can mix and match those if I want to, because even with the yellow face, this guy still looks angry. So let's take a look at exporting our angry face right after we snip it. So snipping tool, I prefer the snipping tool because you can do File, Save As, and tell it what name you want. If you use the other one, you're going to have to name the file. So don't give me anything that says capture or screenshot. So we're going to do a Save As, and I'm going to save this snip in Assignments. I don't need it in my Vector Graphics project folder, so I'm going to save it this way. Now, what is the name? I want you to use these. As I said, I don't want capture or screenshot. I've given you what it is that you're going to name it, and you can paste that in right here. All right, so next we're going to export our angry face. I'm going to Control-C copy and see if it'll remember that. And here's my angry face. So File, Export As. Make sure this is on PNG and don't use the artboard. That way we won't have all that blank space to the side. And I'm going to paste in the name of the file and maybe even add angry and my name. And this is going in the Vector Graphics project folder. See how the transparency is there, and I don't need it to be super high here. A medium will be enough, and we're doing art optimized. So I've got my angry face. Now I can turn off angry and turn on, let's say, shocked. And I have a shocked mouth here, and I can decide what color of face that I want. So let's do this one for shocked. File, Export, Export As, and then I can even just click on this one. This is going to be my emotion number 2. With my name on it already, PNG, and it'll already have 150 art optimized. Once you get the first one correct, the others are a lot easier. And I can do, let's say, I called it normal. So I've got normal eyes, normal eyebrows, and then I can put a normal mouth on there. Probably should have spent a little more time on that one, but as it is, here is my normal face or happy face. File and export as PNG. I can even just paste that again. This is emotion number 3. Happy. So I've got my 3 PNG faces made now. I've got my snip in the assignments folder, and I'm going to need this file. Again, I called it 3-in-1. Maybe yours is still called emoji 1. That's quite all right. Either one of those will work. So make sure you save it. That little asterisk goes away, and then you're going to attach that to this assignment as well.